Birds of a feather, a journey through some collective nouns. Birds of a feather, a journey through some collective nouns as a young sparrow tries to find a new family. Sparrows are too rough, they like to argue. Perhaps I could find another family. A collective noun for a group of sparrows is a quarrel. Crows are too clever. They like to tell such tall tales. I don't believe them. A collective noun for a group of crows is a storytelling. Parrots are too noisy. They squawk so loudly and fly chaotically. I've got a headache. A collective noun for a group of parrots is a pandemonium. Kingfishers are too gaudy. Their feathers are so bright. It hurts my eyes to look at them. A collective noun for a group of kingfishers is a crown. Swans are too big and white. They spend so much time keeping their feathers clean. I prefer a quick dust bath. A collective noun for a group of swans is a whiteness. Swallows are too fast. They eat bugs when flying. This gives me indigestion. A collective noun for a group of swallows is a gulp. Owls are too scary. They look at me as though they would like to eat me for supper. A collective noun for a group of owls is a stare. Bats are very strange. They sleep upside down. That looks fun. I think I'll give it a go. A collective noun for a group of bats is a hanger.